Hi everyone. This video will be for people who are aspiring into coaching business, coaching industry. Either you have no experience or you already have some experience but not seeing full results for yourself. And this video will be a review of AfrinCon Incredible Your Coach 5-day challenge review. This is the first day I attended the session and I noted some points in a notepad I will share with you. This session I am attending is from November 8th to 12th, 2021, and they are good at marketing, I feel, based on the message they sent me, WhatsApp message. Like there are around 81 people participated and they are from around 12 to 15 countries, and they sent a message mentioning the timelines, their country, their flags, easy to understand. Why I am saying is, one of the person from Pakistan told that he, by seeing the message itself, he got interested and joined the session. So such that the message is crafted. So it is interesting thing to be noted for digital marketing people also. I do digital marketing courses and I made quite a few videos in my YouTube channel. You can check out all those videos also if you are interested in digital marketing. And I made some videos regarding personal development, network marketing, digital marketing. So do subscribe my channel and watch other videos also, and kindly share with those people whom you feel this information will be useful. And I mentioned a group also, Facebook group, that is related to digital marketing. I will share in the description also. If you are interested, you can join that group, Facebook group. And this session lasted for around 1 hour. And AfrinCon, they played a video about the background of AfrinCon of around 20 minutes. In that he mentioned like he has been in the industry for 25 years and he trained around 6 lakh people. AfrinCon has written around 10 books and he has appeared in different magazines, reputed magazines all over the world. I have seen his ads also. There are some social media content available in the internet. You can check out. I'll try to share those links in the description. You can click on them and find them. And he wants to help people help them in their personal development, improve in their communication skills, and he trains people to become coaches. You may not have prior experience. By using their platform, if you are part of this program, initially this 5 days program is free of cost, but at the end they would pitch for their program, original program, coaching program. So if you are interested, you can join. I did not mention full details yet on the first day. So coaching industry is a big industry, on-demand industry. Definitely there is a lot of growth because we are seeing many people who are unsatisfied in their present position or business, in their current jobs. Either no job satisfaction or financial satisfaction or time freedom or place location freedom. So this can be done, coaching business can be done from work from home. And I have been watching quite a few people publishing their ads. It's a growing industry. Definitely, if you are like feel, you can share your thoughts. If you like to speak with others, encourage others, and motivate others, and you are also open to learn yourself, improve yourself constantly, it is a good industry for you. They will be giving small exercises. He became successful at 21 years, but he broke by the age of 24 because Afrin Khan had no mindset, successful mindset at that time, and he could not think of building a long-lasting business. So no guidance. So nowadays we have a lot of information available in the internet. Previously, few years back, there is no such facility. So you people can find a lot of information in the net. First, you can search that. I do a lot of searching related to digital marketing, coaching, time freedom jobs. I'm trying to shift my field. So if you're interested, you can look my resources, and you can also learn from internet. Finding the right information is a tough task nowadays. You need a lot of patience, a lot of searching skills. I spend around 12 hours to 15 hours in the system, so I have some basic idea, and I do attend paid and free trainings, so many trainings. So I have some basic idea based on the experience, which I feel genuine, useful for others. Those only I share in my channels, and I make videos so that it will save time and money for you. If you are interested, you can watch my other videos. And as per Afrin Khan, he helped around 5,000 people to become coaches, successful coaches. It's a great thing. So this sentence is the striking point which I liked in this today's session. A coach is a person who helps to transform the aspirants. It's not just motivation. Motivation lasts for few hours or days, but transformation is like permanent. It's like caterpillar becoming a butterfly. That's what it means by transformation. Irreversible change. So we have coach has to help a person to become what he can be, to reach his truest and fullest potential, providing him guidance, motivation, resources, physical and mental, everything. So it is like in the future. But a counselor and a therapist are different. A counselor and therapist will help you find out your existing problems which are hindering you, and try to solve them. But a coach is different. Coaching is different. You have to push the person towards his goals, towards helping him reaching his full potential. So that is the difference. A very good point. Session lasted for around 1 hour. Our host today is Naina Mushkani. Manshkani. She came from lawyer background. She used to be a lawyer, and she had a tough boss, lady boss. She told, very rude. She was very disinterested in the job. She was like frustrated, and at that time she came to know about Afrin Khan program, and she joined and she got trained, and within 1 year she is able to make career coaching business as her career. So that's an appreciable point. Who are able to take action and go through the course, or if you are able to put the time and money, maybe you will be successful if you are having that interest of coaching mentality. Definitely this program may be helpful for you to become a successful coach. So you need to develop the coaching mindset. That's what he mentioned today. And there are so many testimonials they mentioned. A lot of interaction was there between the group members around different countries: Sri Lanka, South Africa, Pakistan, India. So it was very interesting seeing people from across the world. So they will be helping us to get business in 90 days and become a powerful coach. They are going to guide us, fine tune us, find our niche program, what in which we are strong at, in which niche, and marketing. They have a team who help us in marketing and finding content, grooming ourselves. All these things they would help us. Coaching mindset blueprint. Any field you are, you need to keep on growing as a person. That is one of the important point I have been finding. I have been attending for last 1 to 2 years, like different programs, paid and free, webinars, seminars, everything. And I am trying to improve myself for the past 20 years because I feel I can achieve a lot. I have not even achieved 1% of my true potential. So I keep on searching so many books, YouTube channels, everything. So most of the people, all they mention as you have to invest in yourself, improving your skills, mindset, personality, whichever position you are, wherever you are. So they asked us like 5 things which are hindering you from becoming a coach. That is small exercise for the day. So I mentioned like marketing, content, money, positioning myself in the market, guidance. These things I mentioned. So there is like a lot of interaction from the group. So many people like interesting stories. Some have gone through some tough situations, abuse, women there are abused. Now they are, came out of their fears, running successful business, and they want to help others. Interesting. Some people have commitments from their home. How can they earn the money? So there are a lot of women. I think almost half of the major portion are women only, looking for some opportunity how they can earn and how can they prove themselves like that. One woman is like, I am very short. How can I become successful? She asked. So it's like sitting, coaching on Zoom session, coaching business. So no need of your physical hindrance is not there. They mentioned. So that's in brief. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and share to the people who you feel the video is useful. I'll upload other videos as I go through, and I have started like publishing reviews of whatever seminars I am attending. It will help me to grow the channel. It will help me practice and help others also save time and money. There's a lot of time and money you have to invest. So many hours, where you can get benefit, basic idea. So that's it for the video. Find the links in the description.